What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am John with Wipeout P.D.R. and once again we are back here in the garage with another vehicle to work on. It is a Friday and it's a pretty easy one, so it's not going to be that bad. I'll show you what we have. You can see right here in the quarter panel a pretty good shot, but it's not going to be horrible. It does go over that body line there, and it's a little deep, but it shouldn't be too bad. We're going to go through a little access hole right in the quarter there, and then when the customer dropped this off, I actually noticed on this fender here too, you could kind of see it right there is another little dent over that body line. I told him we'll take care of that. He's actually leaving for vacation tomorrow morning, so kind of a time crunch. We're going to get this done for him, but figured we'll take you along with us as we normally do. Should be an easy Friday, short video, but let's get going and see how this thing turns out. Let's do it. All right, we are all finished up this quarter panel. It came out perfect, no surprises, worked up real easy. Like I said, it was a little deeper over that body line, but again, no surprises. We just got in there with a rubber tip tool. We pretty much just used this tool the whole time. Little bend there on a Ultra tool. Really like that tool, but you could see the final results on this one. It came out really good. Perfect. Body line back to the way it was. Everything looking good. So we're all finished up that one. We'll jump on this fender, get that done for him, and get this car done. Let's do it. right, we are all finished up. It came out really nice. Again, no issues, no surprises, lots of access down through the fender under the hood area. Just once again got on it with a rubber tip ultra tool and just worked it back out. Little tapping, you know, a little high spot there, but little tapping and the rubber tip, and car is all set. I'll show you the results just so you can see. So remember that edge there was all dented in, came out really nice, and same with back here. Everything looks good. So another one down. Like I said, a nice easy Friday. We like that. Tomorrow, actually, I'm going back to the Houston Cafe in Lancaster. It's a car show I sponsor, and I do free dent removal there. So we're gonna do that tomorrow. It is calling for some thunderstorms in the afternoon, so we'll see how that works out, but I'll probably do a video there at that show like we did last time. I'm going to be bringing the Murcielago. I'm actually gonna try to load all my tools in there. I don't have someone to drive my work vehicle up, so we'll see how many tools I can fit in there, and hopefully it doesn't rain because there is no roof on that. But this one's done. I think the customer will be happy with it. I'm happy with the results. Hopefully you guys like the video. If you can, like, subscribe to the channel. We'll do more videos, and we'll catch you next time.